Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Tuesday, December 13th, 2016. It's currently 9 a.m. and we are rather chilly out there with temperatures in the mid to upper 20s over the northern interior and lower to mid 30s in some of your suburbs, mid to upper 30s along the coast and in your urban areas. Winds are from the west around 5 miles per hour, and we do have a cold front that is going to be approaching the region, producing a threat for a few scattered snow showers, possibly even a minor accumulation here or there, dusting to maybe an inch of snow over much of the region. Could even push 2 inches a little bit up here in northeastern Pennsylvania for this evening with the passage of the cold front on the way. On the radar, you can see that precipitation approaching the region. A lot of this is not reaching the ground, though. More bark than bite here at the moment. As this precipitation moves through our neck of the woods, look for rain, snow showers, changing over to snow showers this evening. Again, not a huge accumulation, but it'll certainly look nice, a little bit more festive out there, with temperatures falling off from the upper 30s to low 40s into the 20s by tomorrow morning. On the infrared satellite picture, you can see we have one area low pressure down here around Georgia. This will lift to the east-northeast and will remain to the south of the region. This cold front will be approaching and moving through tonight, and that will lead to the potential for some scattered rain and snow showers, changing over to snow showers, and for some minor accumulation. This blue up here, it's not cloud cover. That's actual cold air. That's how cold it is behind this cold front. But we haven't seen anything yet. We have another Arctic cold front that is going to be on the way for tomorrow night and into tomorrow morning. And tomorrow morning, should I say into Thursday morning. And on Thursday, well, you better have your heavy coat because temperatures are not moving. Low of 22, high of 23. Yeah, it's going to get cold and very cold. And with that, there will be a threat for some snow showers and some snow squalls. They actually could produce a surprise inch or two of snow for a few locations. So let's dive into this forecast. For this afternoon, we'll have those rain and snow showers approaching the region, reaching the area by the time we get to about rush hour. Most of these rain and snow showers will change over to snow pretty quickly as temperatures fall off. Look for high temperatures in the upper 30s to low 40s, falling through the 30s this evening with a low by tomorrow morning in the mid to upper 20s. Now, here is what is key for tomorrow morning. That cold front's going to exit. We'll have a few lingering snow showers. Watch out for black ice and for some slick roadways. Again, we're not looking for snow showers producing a lot of snow, but just a little bit of dusting here and there could certainly cause some slick spots, especially on untreated roadways. On Wednesday evening, a threat for a few widely scattered isolated snow showers and flurries will continue. Temperatures will rise into the mid to upper 30s for highs over the interior and upper 30s to lower 40s along the coast. On Thursday, our Arctic cold front will move through, and behind it, watch out for a few snow squalls because these snow showers are going to be capable of producing a brief period of heavy snow. They're going to be widely scattered and isolated, but if they do hit your location, you're definitely going to notice as visibility will fall off and you'll get some snow accumulation. These snow squalls have the capability to produce an inch an hour. Think of them like a thunderstorm in the summer. They are isolated to widely scattered, but if they impact your location, you can get quite a bit of rainfall. Same type of scenario here with these snow squalls as this Arctic cold front moves through. Temperatures, again, will range from the lower 20s for lows and lower 20s for highs, basically rising a degree. And it won't feel like the 20s. It'll feel more like the single digits to even below zero with a strong northwesterly wind at 10 to 20 miles per hour, increasing to 15 to 25 miles per hour at times, gusting to 30 miles per hour in a few locations. And that, of course, is going to lead to a rather brutal wind chill. On Friday, high pressure will build in, still a threat for a few snow showers here and there. Low temperatures in the single digits to lower teens over the interior, lower to mid-teens along the coast, high temperatures in the mid-20s. So definitely very cold and well below normal for this time of year. Now on Saturday, we have a tricky situation. This low pressure system will be lifting up towards the Great Lakes and dragging this warm front with it. But notice how this warm front is kind of bow shaped out, right? That's the Arctic air, and the Arctic air is going to be putting up a fight. In fact, on Saturday morning, temperatures will be in the lower to mid-20s. So that means any precipitation that does develop on Saturday morning, and it could be rather heavy, is going to fall in the form of snow. Now, with the high pressure system off the coast, That's going to mean that temperatures will warm up above freezing. It's just going to take some time. Along the coast, it will be the fastest, so you'll go to snow, sleet, and freezing rain during the morning hours and change over to rain by the time we get into the afternoon. There will be some snow accumulations. Not sure how much yet. We have a lot to work out in that respect. If you are in northeastern Pennsylvania, east central Pennsylvania, northwestern New Jersey, the Hudson River Valley, northwestern Connecticut, the cold air is going to try and put up a fight longer. We still have to work out the details, but what we're dealing with here is snow transitioning over to sleet and freezing rain and lingering in that state for some time as precipitation moves through. So it may be raining, but the temperatures are 29, 30 degrees, and that, of course, is freezing rain. So Saturday morning and early Saturday afternoon in these locations could be rather nasty out there. The good news is that all this does eventually change over to rain, and we will see a high by the time we get to the the late evening hours in the mid to upper 40s. Those temperatures are going to continue to rise ahead of a cold front as our low pressure system continues to lift to the northeast, and the cold front will follow on Sunday with periods of rain. Temperatures will range from the mid to upper 50s for most locations. Could see a few lower 60s mixed into southern New Jersey as this warm air really surges out ahead of this cold front, but those temperatures will fall off rapidly, and then we fall back to very cold weather conditions once again by the time we get to Monday. Now Monday, I'm watching this low pressure system right here. It could be a little bit further north, producing a few snow showers for the region. Temperatures are going to be nowhere near the 60s that you saw on Sunday afternoon. No, they're going to be about half that. Look for lows in the lower 20s, highs in the upper 20s to lower 30s. And on Tuesday, it will be chilly once again, but high pressure will be over the region, producing scattered cloud cover, lows in the upper teens to lower 20s, highs in the lower 30s for the region. That is your forecast discussion for today. I'll be keeping an eye on this storm for Saturday, as Saturday morning looks like it's going to be a rather rough period of weather for the region. And I'll have the latest details as they come out with this storm. Thank you for following NYNJPA Weather, and as always, stay safe out there.